My name is Nos Hilary. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to become a military flight nurse. Okay, so pay attention to this video and watch till the end, and remember to share and smash the like button and also subscribe for amazing videos like this. Yes, to become a military flight nurse in Nigeria, you must follow a structured path that combines both nursing qualifications and military training and specialization. Okay, I want you to know that Nigerian Armed Forces is made up of what? Nigerian Army, Nigerian Air Force, and Nigerian Navy, and all of them have nursing services or nursing department. Okay. Okay, now how can you become a military flight nurse? Number one thing is that, or requirement is that, you must become a registered nurse in Nigeria. Yes, you must become a registered nurse. Okay, and how can you become a registered nurse in Nigeria? You must attend to either College of Nursing or university that is offering DNSC nursing. Okay, and thereafter you apply for nursing council to be licensed to what? Practice as a nurse. Okay, yes, that is the first step, you becoming a registered nurse. Okay, all right. Now the second step for you to become a military flight nurse is that you have to gain experience. Yes, even though this option is optional, but however, it is helpful. You have to work for a period of 1 to 2 years to gain an experience. You can do some courses like basic life support and advanced cardiac life support to get experience, so that when you enter into the job, it's not going to be a hard nut to crack for you to practice. Okay. The third step is applying to join the Nigerian military as a nurse. Yes, you must join the armed forces, okay? Maybe through direct short service or regular combatant commissioning, and also regular recruit intake. Yes, listen to this particular one. If you want to choose the branch that you want to go into during direct short service commission or regular recruit intake, I will advise you to consider choosing Nigerian Air Force because it is ideal for flight nursing. The process is not going to be what? Very difficult for you to what? Attain fast. Okay, but you can also choose Nigerian Army because they offer aeromedical roles, or because aeromedical roles, or in the army they have what we call aviation corps. So when you are done with your nursing, you can express your interest to go into this particular field to diversify your knowledge. Okay, so remember the two ways you can become a nurse, or you can, or you will apply as is if you have DNSC, I will advise you to purchase direct short service commission, whether in the army or in the Air Force. But if you have only single RN, I will advise you to you can get um, regular recruit intake, and you can still achieve your aim. But when you get into the job, maybe you can grow both in ranking and in your profession as well. Okay. All right. What are the requirements? Okay. The entry requirements if you are to apply through direct short service. Number one requirement is that you must be a Nigerian citizen. Okay. And number two is that you must be at the age that is between maybe 22 to 30 years. Yes, 30 years, 22 to 30 years. And number three requirement is that you must be a registered nurse. Okay. When it comes to height, military values how height or how high your height is. So for male, we recommend you to have like 1.6 is meter and above. But if you are a female, 1.63 meter and above is what is one of the criteria. So after that, you are going to write an exam, which they will assess you medically and physically fit, and then you go for interview. If you are, if you go for the interview and your name is shortlisted, the next is to go for what training. Take note that DSS recruitment is mostly you can see it in Nigerian Army or website or Nigerian Air Force website, or at times they used to publish it in the newspaper. Okay, now immediately you are what selected to complete the military training. The military training lasts for a period of 6 months. Okay, yes, and it is going to take place at the Nigeria Defense Academy or in the Air Force base, depending if the one you apply for is Air Force. Okay, and after the 6 months, you are going to be commissioned to a rank of lieutenant or fly lieutenant. Okay, yes, remember during the process or when you are applying for this, you are going to choose nursing. Yes, you are going to choose nursing because there is column for which of the departments you wish to go to render service in the military. So you are going to choose nursing during the application process. I hope I'm clear. Okay, now the number five step in becoming a military flight nurse is you have to now specialize in aeromedical or flight nursing. Yes, once commissioned and posted to military hospital or any medical corps, what you will do is you have to express your interest in aeromedical evacuation or Air Force medical services. In the army, we have what we call Nigerian Army Aviation Corps. So if it is the army you entered, then that is where you will express your interest and you go for the course to train you further how you will become a military flight nurse. But if it's in the Air Force, it is not going to be complex like that because Air Force already deals with what flights and the process is going to be fast for you, unlike in the army. But my advice is that Navy don't have such departments like that. They might have an aircraft, but it is not, well officially used, just like in the army or in the what Air Force. Okay. Now, the next step is for you to serve as a flight nurse. When you finish the course, after indicating your interest, you will be assigned to air missions, especially within the Nigerian Air Force Medical Service or Nigerian Army Aviation Corps. And this is your duty. Your duty is going to include evacuating injured soldier or civilians. Okay, maybe during there is maybe during incidents of any kind of outbreak or during the war front, you can as well go and evacuate or managing of critical condition while you are doing the evacuation in the flight. So you also provide critical care in the flight, and your next role is supporting disaster or peacekeeping mission. So now I want to just give you a summary of all those things that I stated. So number one, for number one summary is that you must be what? A registered nurse, or you must have BNSC, that is bachelor degree in nursing science, for you to be a military flight nurse. Okay. The second step is that you must register with Nigerian Nursing and Midwifery Council. Yes. And the third step is that you are going to apply for what? Direct Short Service Commission. Okay. And you can apply it in the Army or in the Air Force. But if you have only single RN, you only apply for regular recruit intake, whether in the Air Force or in the Army. Yes, from there you can grow as in your cadres with time. Okay. The fourth step is completion of military officer training. Yes. After the completion of the training, which takes like 6 months, the next thing is for you to express your interest to specialize in aeromedical evacuation. So you will be trained for that as a nurse. And the last step is to serve as a military flight nurse, delivering your duty in emergency response, and maybe during the time of incidents of any kind, or maybe in the war front. Yes. So at this point, this is how to become a military trained nurse. So these are the steps you will use, okay, to apply for becoming a military flight nurse. I want to tell you thank you for watching this video, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe so that you can see my video anytime I make a post like this. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, just ask me in the comment section. I'm definitely going to respond. Thank you.